circle.
And hello everyone.
My name is Aydeen.
My name is Aydeen.
Today we are going to craft. So we are going to craft paper fish. How awesome is that?
Yes,
So just by using these materials. So Aydeen, what are these materials?
So we have plates, scissors, pencils, glue, and colorful paper.
You can use any color paper. It's all your decision, not ours. So I will choose blue. I'll choose orange.
Orange looks nice.
Bright orange.
Looks nice.
And that's what you will need for the first. I needed my plate, so I put my plate in position where I wanted it. So now I'll draw the round circle that we need.
Wee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice and big.
Nice and blue.
So now, I needed my mommy's help. Mommy, can you draw them out for me?
Yes, my baby.
Thank you. Sketchy.
Yeah.
Zaydin,
Thank
your
you.
turn.
Thank you.
We put it in so we can use some other pieces here.
Thank you, Mommy. So now we are going to cut the circle. Let's start. I hope you can see it.
Now I'm going to show you how to make the scales. You fold it like this, and now you get a circle shape and put it on, and now put a circle over it. Now we're going to cut it out.
So my mom helped us make all these shells. So I'll show you what to do with the shells because these aren't ready yet. So you have to fold them like it's a semicircle.
Kind of like a half.
See, half a circle. Then
Half
we
a
get
circle.
glue.
And it's like D.
Hello, glue.
It looks like D. Yeah, it does.
So now we do only 2 beats. I don't think you can see it because it's vanishing purple. So then we do it like this. See the line I think my mom did? We will put it there.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
I think we did it pretty well.
So we continued to put a bit by bit scales underneath to fill up the circle paper. So my mommy is helping us to draw the tail. She's cutting it out right now. And she's doing a very cool zigzag pattern. Like that. And we're gonna stick it on our fish.
So I put the tail on, I glued it here, see? Then put his. So I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you make it. And I'll show you the ones we did. These are the original ones.
I'm actually named him Mr. Bob.
This one's my one. This is Mr. Francis Bob, I think.
This is Mr. Frank. Now this
Anyway,
Mr. Bob.
give us a rate in the comments.
This guy's Mr. Bob.
And I'll let you guys rate this one. And I'll let you guys even name it. I'm just going to end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you try making this fish.
If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe.